gate. We're out here at Chesapeake Campground. This is our 4th fire we've had in our 12th day camping here. Today's going to be a little more trickier as it's actually quite windy. Everything got wet today with the thunderstorms. But I do have faith that this fire will start. Just not as easily as it did last week, is all. But I am persistent. And I just realized I got a little nifty wind block here. Actually, once it gets started a little bit, the wind will actually help the fire burn, of course, but trying to start it in the wind is a little hard. Not impossible, no. As I've learned to say, nothing is impossible in this world. But it looks like we got 2 spots over here burning pretty well that should catch the wood. Okay, and I would say we are good to go. This is just some real thin laminate from some plywood that we shredded up here, which I did keep out for a little aid. Unfortunately, everything, like I said, is, to say the least, damp. Most of it's soaked. But I do have faith in myself, and I do have faith in my God, and I do have faith in my father and several other Boy Scout leaders that taught me how to build a campfire. But I would say we are good to go at this point. I say this is our 12th or 13th day here in Chesapeake, Virginia, at Chesapeake Campground on George Washington Highway, across from the canal that runs up and down most of the eastern seaboard. But that's it for this video. Peace out, people.
Peace.